Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to import customer list using Google Sheet through CMS Via Web and delete your customer list with simple steps. Okay, so go to the setting and then go to the CMS Via Web. Okay, log in your password. Okay, so copy this CMS Via Web into your browser first. Then go to your laptop, go to Add via CSV and then click Customer Sample CSV. So once you download, open using Excel. So highlight and then right click, select on Format Cell, then change to text only and then click OK so that you can add a 0 in front of your phone number. After that, so let's say you can key in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email. Okay, let's say I'm adding my name, Seng, okay, and then my email address. Then your address 1, address 2, address 3, and then your city, state. So for the birthday, either you can leave it blank or you fill in, but you need to follow the format, which is example. Then go to the card number, go to the expired date. Let's say I want to put December 31st. You can manually put on the account credit and your reward point, let's say. After that, you click save and make sure save as CSV file. After that, you can rename it. Then go back to the browser just now, choose the file, select the file just now, which is this one, open, and then you click upload CSV, then click OK. Then back to the iPad. Then go to CSV import, click on the customer tab, choose CSV file just now, and you click here, the edit just now, and click yes to import to customer profile. Then go to the home and customer, double check again. So just now I have inputted Seng, my name, my email address, and then my birthday, my member expired date, and I have put my address, my account balance 100 ringgit, my card number, and reward point. So you also can search based on first name, last name, contact, and card number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of the contact consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the boss, the contact number, and then my card number also. If you want to delete your contact, just swipe to the left from here, then you can delete your contact. If you want to delete all of your customer, go to the setting, go to database, clear customer list, and key in your password and click OK. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。